National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Webb County in south-central Texas until 3:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Botines to near United South High School, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Laredo, Ranchitos, Lomas, Mirando City, Bruni, Oilton, United South High School, Texas A&M International University, and Aguilars. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,